this video I will guide you how to fix screenshots not working on Motorola G87. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, restart phone. Just click on hot side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After software update latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and reset option and reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.